Hello, my dear family members. If you are preparing for Accenture Custom Software Engineer interview, and if you want to know about the today's experience and the recent experience for Accenture Custom Software Engineer Python role or SAP HANA ABAP role, then this video is going to be very much important. Also, I'll discuss about if you are not able to apply, and also if you want to know about the real AI call the candidates are receiving, I will discuss all of those. So just to watch this video till the end so that you don't miss anything. Okay, now let me discuss from the very beginning. That is, who are receiving the AI call. Okay, the candidates who actually cleared the exam, they are receiving an AI call to schedule their interview. Okay, I'll share the real interview call, so just watch and hear properly.
Hey, you ready for the future? Techno UF is here with premium prep materials, no need to fear. Cognizant, Accenture, TCS, and more. We'll get you ready, open up that door.
Hello, am I speaking with Vandiyatthevan Arulmozhivarman?
Yeah.
I'm Harshit calling from Accenture on behalf of the recruiter. Is this a good time to speak?
Yeah, okay.
Congratulations. You have been shortlisted for the final interview of Accenture Customer Service Representative role. Bangalore is the location for your next in-person interview on 1st and 2nd of July. Are you willing to join?
Yeah, yes.
It's at the Accenture Bangalore office, which is at Prestige Star Tech A block in Kormangala Industrial Layout. You will easily find it in Google Maps. The interview slots are from 10 in the morning till 2 in the afternoon. And which day works for you, the 1st or the 2nd of July?
2nd of July.
Great. What time would you like to come in? Interview slots are between 10 in the morning and 2 in the afternoon.
Yeah, I'd like to come 2 in the afternoon.
Could you please specify a time between 10 in the morning and 2 in the afternoon that works best for you?
Yeah, 12 a.m. Sorry, 12 p.m.
Perfect. You're all set. We look forward to seeing you there.
Yeah,
Thanks
okay.
for your time. Have a great day.
Thanks.
Now if you have question like how to apply again, so for you, if you are not able to apply, it's probably they have like disabled the application link, and probably you are not eligible, and probably your application is existing, or probably your cache problem or cookies problem. But most reasonable reason is the application is disabled. Okay, so if you are not able to apply, then check with your friend and check with another device. If you're not able to apply, then just move on and wait for next opportunity. Okay, now let me discuss the real interview experience from today's slot and also from recent slot. Just before that, guys, if you have not subscribed this channel yet, then please do subscribe and watch the playlist regarding any content that you want, and let me know which content you want more. So the first question is, tell me about yourself. Now, to explain, to impress the interviewer, what should you include? That is, you should start with your education, then mention your technical skills, interests, key skills, soft skills, and what are you looking for. Okay. Also, the project. So it can be a sample answer. So just refer this. As this role is specifically for Python or SAP HANA, then you can include those so that your preference will be more. Okay. Now, I am a computer science graduate with a strong interest in enterprise applications and database concepts. During my studies, I learned SAP ABAP basics, SQL, OOPS, problem solving. I also worked on final year project where I use structured coding and debugging. I enjoy learning how business processes are supported by software, and I'm looking for an opportunity where I can apply my technical skills, learn from experienced professionals, and contribute to real projects. So this type of example, this type of introductions you can give. Also include your soft skills and technical skills. Okay, now let me discuss the next question. What do you know about SAP ABAP? So this is very basic questions, but still very relevant questions, because they are going to discuss about your knowledge on basic things only. Because you are fresher, they don't want you to know about like the toughest part or the complex part. They want you to know about the basic part. Okay, so what do you know about SAP ABAP? SAP ABAP stands for Advanced Business Application Programming. It's a primary programming language used to develop applications in the SAP environment. Okay, so key points you need to say, that is used for custom reports, enhancements, interfaces, forms and modules, supports procedural and object-oriented programming, etc., etc. So you just mention these and give an example so that this will be complete answer. Okay, if you don't explain the example, then it's incomplete answer. Okay, always give an example. So this is the next question: do you have any hands-on experience in SAP above? Your answer should be very honest, because they will judge based on your response. If you tell randomly that yes, I have experience, they will just cross verify if you really have experience. Okay, and they may ask you to say something from the real system, so don't tell anything like false details. Okay, answer honestly based on your experience. If you have any practice, or if you have already practiced, or if you have the experience, then mention it clearly. Okay, if not, say you have learned concepts, but you don't have good opportunity to practice on the system. Okay, now this can be a sample answer. Yes, I have basics hands-on experience. This is the term you can use, basic hands-on experience in SAP above. I have practiced report programming, data dictionary objects, internal tables debugging. I also worked on some simple programs using selection screens and output formatting. But if you don't know, if you're a beginner, then you can explain this one. Okay, now the next question is this, guys. Actually, if you want to get through the full PDF, full interview experience, then please join our Telegram channel t.me/ubkanna. The link is provided in the description box or in the comment section. Please go through that and join and get the experiences there. Okay, now what is the data services? SAP Data Services is a data integration and ETL tool used to extract, transform, and load data from different sources into target systems. Use it for data migration, data quality and cleansing, integration between systems, batch processing, and transforms. A company moving customer data from an old system to SAP can use data services to clean duplicates, standardize fields, and load accurate data into the system. Okay, now next question is, what programming language do you know? So always give a proper answer. Okay, so that means if you know Python, then tell them Python. If you don't know, then don't say. Okay, if you know Java, then explain that you know Java. Okay, I know Python, Java basics, SQL, and SAP above. This way you can answer. I am compatible with programming logic, data structures, and database queries. Among these, I am strongest in SQL and Python fundamentals. So you can see how it's prioritizing or giving importance. So this way you can just you can impress the attract the interviewer. Okay, now you can give also examples. Okay, next question is, what are your technical skills? Include both hard skills and tools. Keep the list targeted to the job. Okay, now sample answer should be, my technical skills include SAP above basics, SQL, Python fundamentals, OOPS concept, data normalization, debugging, and report writing. I also know MS Excel, problem solving, and basic version control concepts. Okay, you can give this example for your reference. Okay, now the next question is, explain your final year project. Very important question, guys, because this is a common question. You both, from all the roles, you will expect this question, because this is what they are looking for. If you have any real project experience in your final year, then it's a very preferred, like you will be preferred. Okay, so this can be a template answer. My final year project was on this topic, and the goal was to solve this problem. I worked on this role. What is your task? Just mention. What is your responsibility? Just mention this, and I use these technologies and I develop this. Okay, and this is the outcome. Okay, so just star method. Okay, I hope you understood. My final year project was this, so you can explain this one. And what is data normalization? Data normalization, this is from SQL and data DBMS. It's a very important, and they're asking really from SQL questions, and you have to answer. you have to prepare for that as well. Normalization is the process of organizing data in databases to reduce redundancy and improve data integrity. Why it matters? It avoids duplicate data, makes update easier, and keeps records consistent. Example, if student details and course details are stored in separate tables, you avoid repeating the same course name for every student row. Okay. Let me share the next question, but before that guys, if you have not gone through the latest prime materials for interview experiences, then please go through these topmate.ir/technology. The link is provided in the description box or in the comment section. You can get all most asked top C++, Java, Python, DBMS, SQL coding questions, operating system, networking, machine learning, cloud computing, managerial questions, and HR questions. Also, puzzle questions and all the things you need to prepare for interview. Also, you can give mock interview as well. So please go through these. It will be very much helpful for your upcoming drives, and you can like prepare for top 100 MNCs within these prime materials. You can see this type of PDFs. You will get template answer and questions, top questions. Also, you can give the mock interview. That's the best part. So please go through that. It will be very much helpful. And these are the a few like feedback, so you can go through that. Okay, the link is provided in the description box or in the comment section. Okay, now the next question is this: what is data normalization? Sorry, explain 1NF, 2NF, and 3NF. Okay, so 1NF, each column should contain atomic values, no repeating groups, and 2NF must be in 1NF, and every non-key attribute should depend on the whole primary key, and 3NF must be in 2NF, and there should be no transitive dependency. Okay, and you can give example like this. Okay, I hope you understood, guys. Actually, I have a lot of more questions, 20 questions. So please go through these. You will get all those questions. Okay. So thank you for today's session, guys.
Please subscribe to Techno UF and don't forget to like and share with your friends.